Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. And today I will be doing another Pokemon card opening. I got these packs at Dollar Tree on Forbidden Light and Ancient Origins. So let's get before that. Yesterday in yesterday's video I made this, but what I didn't show you is this. And this can attach to this. I may do a video on how to make this, but I don't know. Maybe in the future. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, back on topic. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this one. You guys can't see it. Not yet, at least. Okay, this thingy-majig. This is a I don't know how to show you. Whimsipod. Wow. Entei. That is amazing. Right there. Really good. Foil. And Scriggaier. That was actually pretty good. So those are that's the first pack. On to the second one. Remove that. On to the second one, Forbidden Light. And I'll just do this. Why is this so hard to open? Okay. You guys can't see what it is. I can't see what it is. Let me turn it around. And I broke the entire thing. Oh no. Oh yeah, okay. Turn this around and perfect. So there's this thing. And first one is Importer. Well, you can't see anything. Importer. B-String. And a Gible. So 2 items and 1 Pokemon. Wait, let's see what this thing is. It says B-String. Okay. You can play this card if your opponent has exactly 3 or 4 cards remaining. And that's Okay then. So the best card in today's video is this one, Entei. Let's get some better focus. Really cool. Yes. Hollow. Heat Tackle and Flame Screen. I have to show my friends this. They'll flip. And then this is, what is this? Where's the symbol? Here, it's a rare card. And Scriggaier is... Ooh. And then this one is the... What is this called? Uncommon, and then common is the Scriggaier. And that wraps it up for today's video. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on what you want me to do next. And, of course, goodbye!